Hi guys, welcome to another video on Know It Now. And on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy audiomack plays, and we are going to be using growbetter.net. All you have to do is go to any of your search browser and search www.growbetter.net. Once you search it as a first timer, this is how the website is going to display. Growbetter.net is a website where you boost your social media like Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, audiomack, Spotify, YouTube, and other social media apps. And on growbetter.net you can boost your services like followers, subscribers, comments, and other services. First, before you can make use of this website, you have to have an account with growbetter.net. And to sign up on growbetter.net, all you have to do is click on this sign up button here. It will bring you to this space, right? All you have to do is create a username, input your email, create a password, confirm password, and click on I'm not a robot. Once you have filled in all these details, all you have to do is click on sign up, and it is that easy and simple to sign up on growbetter.net. I have an account already, right? All I have to do is input my details and sign in. Once you're signing, it should bring you to this space as a first timer. This is how the website is going to display. This is how it looks like on the inside. First thing first, you have to have an account with growbetter.net, and the second thing is you have to have fund on your account before you can make any order on this website. Note, the website is not free. You have to have fund on your account before you can make any order. And to add fund, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add fund following these few steps I'm about to show you. You just click on the three arrow up here. You see add fund right there. You click on it. It will bring you to this way. You see method and amount. On this method, you leave your method on Flutterwave. And under this amount, you have to input any amount you want to add from 1,000 above. For the purpose of this video, I'm adding 2,000. Once you have added the amount, all you have to do is click on pay. Once you click on pay, it will bring you to this space. You'll be asked to enter card details to pay. But due to the fact that people don't like inputting their card details online these days on websites, you get, Growbetter has made it easy by providing other payment method. To change payment method, all you have to do is click on change payment method. It will bring more payment methods for you to pick from. You see all payment options right there. You click on see all payment options. It will bring more payment methods for you to pick from. All you have to do is pick any one of your choice and follow the few steps you'll be shown to add fund on growbetter.net. It is very easy and simple. And that's how to add fund on growbetter.net. Let's get right into the video. Under category, you click on this arrow. You see audiomack services right there. You click on it. And under service, you click on this arrow. As I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy audiomack plays, right? And it's the first one under that service there. All you have to do is click on audiomack play. You click on it. And on this link and quantity, I'm going to be showing you guys how to copy audiomack song link direct from audiomack. To this minimize, you go to audiomack. You are getting play for a song, right? You just go to the song, you click on the song and click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you just minimize, go back to the site and input your link. We have been asked to input link, and you click on done. And under this quantity, you are going to be inputting the amount of plays we are getting for that particular song, right? And as you can see under that quantity there, is from 1,000 above you can get your plays. I'm going to be inputting 1,000. Once you have input your correct song link and the quantity of plays you want to get, all you have to do is click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will see a notification that your order has been received, and it is that simple and easy to buy audiomack plays. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more relatable videos like this. And if it's your first time coming across Know It Now, all you have to do is click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to be notified anytime we post a new video. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. And if you have subscribed, thank you and God bless you.